A lot of people do not realize that a lot, if not most, Starbucks drinks have 2, 3, 4, sometimes 500 calories in one single drink. That is the equivalent to starting your day with a burger and fries for McDonald's. That's not how we want to be living. So instead, we want to be making these drinks lean, low calorie, yet still tasty, because I know you right there. I can see into your eyes that you love a little bit of sweetness. So I'm going to show you my 4 favorite Starbucks drink swaps that still taste tasty, still taste sweet, still pack a punch with caffeine, yet are all under 100 calories. So get excited, squaddies. It's time to get lean. Hold on one second. Before we go any further, please subscribe to the channel and give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. I think it's really gonna help a lot of people. I'm super excited about it because the reality is so many of us are making a huge mistake when we go out for coffee, and it's not our fault. I'm gonna show you all of these drinks that are low in calories, very little sugar, and you can enjoy guilt-free every single morning, lunch, or evening for that caffeine boost. So, for all those chai tea lovers out there, did you know a typical chai tea latte has 240 calories? 240 calories in one single drink. It also has 45 grams of sugar. 45 grams, that is the equivalent of drinking a large size Coca-Cola. Not good for breakfast, not good for fat loss. So Phil, how do we change that? Because I love my chai tea latte. Well, that is an easy fix. It is with the dirty chai tea latte that you can have either hot or cold. All you have to do to get this delicious drink is ask for a Grande hot or iced chai tea latte. Substitute almond milk in there. Ask for only 1 pump of chai and 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, and then a shot of blonde espresso. And the lean news is this drink only has 80 calories. 80 calories in total, 10 grams of carbohydrates, 3 grams of fat, and 1 gram of protein. It is over 66% leaner than your normal chai tea latte. That's a whole lot leaner. And the fact of the matter is, if you substitute this dirty chai tea latte for your normal chai tea latte, you are cutting your calories by over 140 right off the bat, and that is a great start to your weight loss journey. And you're not sacrificing the taste whatsoever. It was Brody's favorite lean option. Next drink is the Macchiato. I can see into this camera. I know there are a lot of Macchiato lovers out there, but the bad news is a Grande Macchiato. Guess how many calories? 250 calories in one single Grande Macchiato from Starbucks. That's like over 1,400 calories. I'm not gonna do the math, but that's a lot. How do we leanify it? Well, I'm gonna cut those calories over in half by showing you this drink. The iced cinnamon almond milk macchiato. You ask for a Grande iced cinnamon almond milk macchiato. Ask to substitute 4 pumps of sugar-free cinnamon dolce syrup. Ask for a light caramel drizzle on the inside, and ask for a little cinnamon dolce topping. Well over 50% leaner than your normal macchiato. And again, making these lean little choices every single morning will add up over the long term. You're not sacrificing any taste. This tastes incredible. The next drink is one of my favorites. It is a Nitro caramel cold brew. If you haven't tried the Nitro cold brew before, you are in for a lean treat. The cold brew is insane. It is incredibly low in calories, almost 0 calories, but has a really smooth, nice texture and taste to it. One that even if you're not a hardcore black coffee person are gonna love. However, I have sweetened this one up. It is only 30 calories in total, so you definitely wanna give this one a go. And it also packs a huge caffeine punch. So if you're looking for a little pick-me-up, this drink is certainly it. Ask for a Grande Nitro cold brew, ask for 1 pump of caramel syrup, ask for 3 pumps of sugar-free vanilla syrup. You can also ask for a little light optional cream if you need that in your drink. The next one, I'm gonna bring it in here. Let's bring it in. Bring it in really close. Come on. This one hurts me because I think it really is a crime against leanness, and that is the Starbucks iced black coffee. Sounds lean in theory. The reality is it has over 20 grams of sugar in it. What? And that's because it comes sweetened. So that black coffee you think you're starting your day with, making that lean decision, isn't really lean and is not how we want to be starting our day. So I'm really excited to introduce you to my good friend, which is the Nitro cold brew. I have it black every single time I go to Starbucks, and that is because, again, it has a really smooth, nice texture and taste to it. One that is not overwhelming. A lot of people don't like just black coffee. This does not feel like you are drinking black coffee. I recommend everyone give it a go. Give it a go for a week, and I promise you, you will probably become a black Nitro cold brew convert. Lean as it gets, does not break your fast, 0 added calories, and instead it helps when you're fasting. It also helps when you're working out. One of the only proven supplements to improve physical performance is caffeine, and this one has lots of it. We used to always take caffeine when we were playing professional rugby. Athletes still do it, and that again is because the benefits are overwhelming. Those squatties are my 4 favorite Starbucks low-calorie drink options that I want you to give a go. Please, if you do give a go, tag me. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this helped you. My #1 priority is to show you guys how living a healthier, leaner life doesn't mean sacrificing taste, doesn't mean sacrificing all the things you love. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel, and a big thumbs up, a comment would go a long way. I want to hear from you guys. I want to hear what you want to see more of. And last but not least, if you are looking for guidance from me, if you've been struggling with your journey, contact me. That is exactly why I started the Lean Squad, the 90-day lean plan. It is a meal plan and a workout plan and a support system to help you transform your life. All you gotta do is go to www.lean-squad.com or hit me up on Instagram @LeanSquad, and let's get lean. Otherwise, I will see you back here next episode on Lean Living. A little slice of lean heaven right there.